Come on.
Egg. Scrambled egg. Fried egg. Carrot.
You gotta do it again.
Carrot.
Do it again.
Carrot egg. Oh, Karen knows. Egg.
What's she got in her hand?
Well, it's eggs. You got a fried egg. You got egg on spatula. Egg.
It's a utensil. Okay.
Can I give her
Putting
a
down egg. Putting eggs in the down egg.
Kids do this at a
Party.
Is that something?
Can't let it drop. Can't let it drop.
Can't let it drop. Here's my egg. Here's
Well,
my
I've never heard of that.
Okay. Can I
Okay.
get a prop?
No. Do that balky thing again.
Yeah, I know
She
what
got that part.
Yeah, I got it in the egg. The egg. I got the egg. Turn egg. Spoon egg. Spooning egg. Egg on a spoon. Running with the spoon.
You got it!
Running with the
And have you
spoon
ever
egg.
heard